Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all?
I'm good.
Good? Very good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Himanshu. Beta, as two classes are
History or
combined.
civics?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, history or civics?
Ma'am, history or civics?
Wait.
Ma'am, history or
Let me
civics or geography?
breathe. Let me breathe.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good morning, ma'am.
What I am saying is, कि because two classes are combined, let us do worksheet. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Huh?
ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am.
Good
Ma'am,
morning, ma'am.
history worksheet.
Good
History
morning,
worksheet.
Ratna.
Chapter.
Ma'am, civics worksheet.
Civics नहीं. Civics you want
Ma'am,
to do?
geography worksheet. Ma'am, geography.
नहीं. हमें ये बताओ. हम सिविक्स की वर्कशीट आपको करनी है, फेडरलिज्म वाली करनी है, किस कौन सी करनी है बताओ.
Ma'am, history.
हिस्ट्री करें.
History.
Yes, ma'am,
history.
Ma'am, history. Can we do our geography chapters? Ma'am, but we are about to finish our history chapter.
History chapter
Yes,
we are
ma'am.
about to see in a combined class. It is, tell me, okay, let me ask. 10th B. Where are we in history? Which particular topic? 10th B.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, धनंजय. बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, what?
हम लोग हिस्ट्री में क्लास 10th बी में कहाँ पर हैं?
Ma'am, I'm checking.
क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पे हैं? हाँ?
No, ma'am, शायद last page था. Yes, ma'am, last page था. Ma'am, last
Ma'am,
chapter.
only conclusion is left.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, there also last topic is left and ours also.
अच्छा.
Ma'am, we have to start sense of collective belonging.
वो हमने भी, हाँ वही तो देखो हम लोग कंक्लूजन पे हैं बच्चे. 10th बी में हम कंक्लूजन
Yes,
कर रहे
ma'am.
हैं और 10th सी में हम लोग सेंस ऑफ कलेक्टिव बिलोंगिंग पे हैं. तो
Ma'am, worksheet ही कर लेते.
वर्कशीट कर लेते हैं. वो थोड़ा थोड़ा डिफरेंट इंटरेस्टिंग रहेगा, है ना? ठीक है. ठीक है.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
यस बेटा. यस पावनी.
Ma'am, Kanika is asking to let her in.
But nobody is there. I am there in the class only. I have just now I have taken 2 people, but she was not there.
Ma'am, I guess now she's there in the meeting.
Ma'am, I am here.
Okay. वही ना, हमने नाम नहीं देखा, but I took 2 people inside. Good morning. चलिए. So we'll do worksheet and see, we will discuss the answers here, but then make sure that you do this worksheet in the notebooks also. Okay. I have to share the screen. I need to.
Ma'am, in fair notebook.
हाँ, फेयर नोटबुक में करा करो बेटा. ये जो भी काम है ना, ये आपको बाद में हेल्प करेगा जब आप प्रिपेयर करोगे ना अपने एग्जाम्स के लिए. सो दीज वर्कशीट्स आर रियली गोइंग टू बी वेरी हेल्पफुल टू यू पीपल. ठीक है. Can you all see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Himanshu is requesting remote control of your screen. You can regain Control at any time by clicking on a screen to decline. भाई हिमांशु क्यों चाह रहे हो आप screen control?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, there is two Himanshu in the class.
Two Himanshus are there in the class.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute, let me check. ये क्या चक्कर है
Yes,
भाई?
ma'am. Two Himanshu.
Himanshu, you never told you had a twin brother.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a second. Beta, is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ठीक है. चलिए. We will be discussing it here. I will tell you one by one to answer, and the other side you will be doing it on your notebooks and sharing the image. Acha beta, one very important thing, class 10C, not everyone has sent me those questions, extract based questions, history and civics. Make sure that you do it and send it. Abhay,
Yes, ma'am, I will send it.
अरे रुको एक मिनट. Tell me the answer. Yes, Pavni. Sorry, Gargi. हाँ जी बेटा. Questions only. These questions you don't have to write. Only answers you write. Okay, Abhay. First question. Zolverin started in 1834 in Prussia. Refers to as?
Ma'am, I don't know this.
Seriously,
Ma'am,
you
may I?
don't know this? बेटा हिमांशु तो एक ही है क्लास में. हिमांशु?
Ma'am, he left. Ma'am, he left.
Ma'am, he has left.
ठीक है, fine.
Ma'am, he left.
Left the class.
Okay. Abhinav Pandey. Zolverin started in 1834 in Prussia. Refers to as? Himanshu knows the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Abhinav
may I?
Pandey. Wait.
Ma'am,
Abhinav.
can I try?
Okay, you can.
Ma'am, a custom union.
Yes. Customs Union.
Yes, ma'am.
Zolverin started in 1834 in Prussia. Refers to as Customs Union. Right? Okay, next. Himanshu, do you know who were Junkers?
Ma'am, this I don't know.
Okay. Can we have Bhumika Patel answering this question? Who were Junkers? Aiza?
Ma'am, I
Akansha?
don't know.
Akansha?
May I?
Okay, Gargi, tell.
Ma'am, the rich landowners of Prussia.
हाँ, the large landowners of Prussia were known as Junkers. Okay. चलिए. Daksh Kumar. Which treaty recognized Greece as an independent nation?
Ma'am, may I?
Wait,
Ma'am,
wait.
may I?
Wait. Daksh. Okay, Mohit.
Ma'am, Treaty of Constantinople.
Yes, the Treaty of Constantinople in the year. Which year, Mohit? Which year?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Puneet.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Puneet.
1832.
1832. Very good. Beta, I am looking into the screen. I am looking at all the names that are there attending the class. One by one, I'll tell everyone to answer. Okay? Fine?
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the answer to second one?
Huh. In 1861, those who you people can do it separately in a page on. I told you in the notebooks you need to do the answers. You do it side by side also.
Ma'am, what is the answer of second one?
Second one is the large landowners of Prussia.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. In
Ma'am,
1861.
do we have to write these in notebook?
You can only write the answers. I will share this PDF in the class. I'll correct worksheet 1 दे देंगे या डेट लिख देंगे, आज की डेट की वर्कशीट हो जाएगी, आज की डेट में आप लिख दीजिएगा इसके आंसर्स, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए, in 1861 William IV was proclaimed the king of United Italy. True or false? Pranjal.
Ma'am, false.
Okay. Who was proclaimed the king of United Italy? Dhruv Sharma.
Ma'am, I know only first word.
Wait. Dhruv Sharma. Who was proclaimed as the king of United Italy? Dhruv, are you there?
Ma'am, may I?
रुको एक मिनट बेटा, रुको ध्रुव. अक्षदा. Aksada. Those who are not responding, I'll remove them from the meeting and I'll ban them.
Ma'am, may I?
Aksada. Okay.
Ma'am, may I?
Ujjwal, let Ujjwal tell the answer. Yes, Ujjwal.
कैसर विलियम फर्स्ट.
नहीं बेटा, इटली का राजा किसको बनाया गया था? किंग ऑफ यूनाइटेड इटली.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I tell?
धनंजय.
May I tell?
धनंजय.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Corona wants to take
Yes, ma'am.
entry in the class. What to do? Corona wants to
Ma'am,
take
may I?
class. Just a
Ma'am, may I?
second. क्यों? बेटा बताइए, इसका आंसर बताइए. कौन किसको इटली का किंगशिप दिया गया था?
Ma'am, Victor Emmanuel II.
Ma'am, King Victor Emmanuel
Emmanuel.
II.
Victor Emmanuel II.
किंग विक्टर इमैनुअल सेकंड. वेरी गुड. ये चैटिंग में कोई कुछ लिख रहा है. जस्ट अ सेकंड. केसर विलियम नेदर. ठीक है, वेरी गुड. इट वाज विक्टर इमैनुअल सेकंड. करुणा तो ज्वाइन ही नहीं कर पा रहा है बेचारा. चलो कोई बात नहीं. रोमांटिसिज्म रेफर्स टू एज अभय सिंह तोमर.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा आप 2 डिवाइसेस से कनेक्टेड हैं क्या?
No, मैम कोई और है मैम. पिछली क्लास में भी आ गया था.
ये क्या चक्कर है? मतलब ये ऐसा क्यों? कौन बदमाशी कर रहा है? कितना मजा आ रहा है इसको करने में ही है. आप किससे हो? एएस से हो कि फोटोग्राफ है आपकी?
सर जो मैम जो मेरी फोटोग्राफ है वो है.
बस जो दूसरा था वो लीव कर गया.
Ma'am, may I?
हाँ जी.
Now there are two Jujhar.
Now there are 2 Jujhar.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, there is only one person who is trying to change their name like again and again.
Jujhar, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am the one with black screen.
With the black.
Ma'am, with the JS
And
one.
now he has left.
नहीं लेफ्ट नहीं, अब नाम चेंज कर रहे होंगे बैठ के, मुझे लग रहा है. तो रुक जाओ 1 मिनट. अब बताओ कौन है? 2 तो पूरी क्लास खराब कर देते हैं ये बच्चे. तो इनका मजा हो जाता है, हमारी क्लास खराब हो जाती है. हैं? अब कौन आ गया डबल नेम से? देखो.
I think he has left.
I think yes, left, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Because one participant got lost.
ठीक है. हाँ 31 थे, 30 हो गए हैं. This is too much. कोरोना भी एंट्री नहीं ले पा रहे हैं बेचारे. चलो, whatever it is. ठीक है. We were on that question, no?
Ma'am, you are connected with two devices.
हाँ जी बेटा. एक में हम पार्टिसिपेंट्स के नाम देख रहे हैं और एक में हम जो है वो स्क्रीन शेयर करके पढ़ रहे हैं. नहीं तो वो पता नहीं चलता है कौन कौन है मीटिंग में. नाम बेचारे बच्चे परेशान हो जाते हैं, कहते हैं मैम हमारा नाम लेती ही नहीं है, पूछती ही नहीं है हमसे कुछ भी. ओके राघव,
Yes.
tell me what is romanticism refers to as? What does romanticism refers to as?
Romantic.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Romantic artist.
Romanticism is what?
Ideas of romantic artist.
पर romanticism से हम क्या मतलब समझते हैं? मतलब जो बुक में हमारा romanticism क्या है? Yes, Gargi?
Cultural movement.
हाँ, it was a cultural movement. Romanticism was a cultural movement.
Developed a particular form of national sentiment.
हाँ, it developed a
Also and
particular form of
Love for the country.
love for the nation, love for the country. Okay. How do you define plebiscite?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Pavni. Let Pavni tell. Yes, Pavni.
Ma'am, plebiscite is a kind of a direct vote through which the people are asked to either accept or reject a motion or a proposal.
ठीक है. Very good. Correct. Next is, who said that when France sneezes, the rest of Europe catches cold? Abhinav Pandey, are you there? Abhinav Pandey?
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ किसने बोला था when France sneezes, the rest of Europe catches cold?
Ma'am, Giuseppe Mazzini.
Giuseppe Mazzini. Yash, is he correct?
Ma'am, may I?
Yash,
No,
is he
ma'am. No,
correct?
ma'am. May I?
Yash, Yash, is he correct? बेटा रुको बच्चे रुको. Yash? Yash has left the meeting just now.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Okay. Jay.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Jay. Wait, बच्चा wait. Jay. Jay.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct answer for this. Who said that when France sneezes, the rest of Europe catches cold? Abhinav said Giuseppe Mazzini. Is he correct?
No, ma'am. It was Duke
What?
Metternich.
It is Duke Metternich. Very good. Duke Metternich. Abhinav beta, Duke Metternich is the correct answer beta. ठीक है? Next.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. Who played the leading role in the unification in Germany? Swali or Malay? Either of the one. Give the answer. बताओ. Swali, Malay?
Yes, ma'am.
Who played the leading role in the unification in Germany? बताओ Swali. Yes.
May I?
Okay. Let Dhananjay. Wait, Dhananjay. Dhananjay, do you know the answer? Dhananjay.
Ma'am, Bismarck.
हाँ.
Ma'am, Bismarck.
बेटा who played the leading?
Otto and Bismarck.
देखो बेटा इसमें हाँ Otto von Bismarck. Very good. Otto von Bismarck
Yes, ma'am.
played an important role in the unification of Germany. Very good. Very good, Dhananjay. Who was proclaimed the Emperor of Germany in 1871? Ujjwal?
May I?
Naina, tell.
Ma'am.
बताओ नैना.
Ma'am, may I?
Naina, tell. Anika knows.
Ma'am, William first.
Is she
Yes,
correct?
ma'am.
Is she correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
William
Yes, ma'am.
first. Very good.
First.
Then who became the king of United Italy in 1861? ये तो हमने कर ही लिया है. A large part of Balkan region was under the control of Kanika. Large part of Balkan region was under the control of whom? Kanika.
Ma'am, Ottoman rule.
हाँ, Ottoman Empire or the Ottoman rule. Very good. Now, conservative regimes set up in 1815 were democratic in nature. Srishti Gautam. The conservative regime that was set up in 1815, they were democratic in nature. True or false? Srishti Gautam.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, may I?
It is false. Very good. They were not democratic in nature. Now match the following. French Revolution. अभी रुको, ऐसे अपने आप से नहीं बताना, ठीक है? एक मिनट. We have Daksh in the class. Daksh Kumar. Daksh and Jujhar.
Yes, ma'am.
दक्ष बताओ इसका फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन का क्या क्या मैचिंग होगी?
Ma'am, can you please, like, I cannot see in the phone. Please make it zoom.
ऐसे मत बोलो. फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन
May I tell?
करता है, ठीक है? बताओ बताओ.
Transfer of sovereignty from monarch to the French citizen.
Very good. French Revolution transferred the sovereignty from monarch to the French citizens. ठीक है? Okay. Liberalism, Jujhar. What was liberalism?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बताओ.
Ma'am, individual freedom and equality before law.
Very good. Then we have Nikhil. Nikhil,
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा इसका बताओ. नेपोलियनिक कोड क्या था? नेपोलियनिक कोड क्या था?
Ma'am, may I tell?
नहीं रुको. शौर्य शुक्ला. शौर्य शुक्ला.
Ensured right to property for the privileged class.
हाँ, ensured right to property for the privileged class. नहीं. हाँ ठीक है.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
हाँ. Then Treaty of Vienna. Yash Mehta. Treaty of Vienna. Yash Mehta.
Ma'am, may I?
बेटा यश नहीं है क्लास में?
No, ma'am.
नहीं, यश है क्लास में बेटा. दिख रहा है वो मेरे को. He is as a participant.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Okay, tell Puneet.
Ma'am, Treaty of Vienna is brought the conservative regimes back to power.
हाँ, brought the conservative regimes back to power. Treaty of Constantinople. Pranjal.
Recognize Greece as an independent nation.
Very good. Viresh, next question. Name the provinces under the Habsburg Empire. Name the provinces under the Habsburg Empire.
Might not remember them properly.
Okay, anybody in the class who remembers the provinces under the Habsburg Empire? Huh?
And can we take the help of book?
Yes, of course you can. You can.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Tell. अबे
Ma'am, Alpine and Tripol.
बेटा provinces.
May I?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Gandhi.
Austro-Hungarian.
Austria and
Alpine
Sweden.
regions, the Tyrol, Austria,
Ma'am, may I?
Finland, and Bohemia.
Bohemia.
बेटा इसमें प्रोविंसेस बताने हैं आपको. छोटे छोटे रीजन्स नहीं बताने. प्रोविंसेस कौन सी थी? हैब्सबर्ग एम्पायर तो उससे कंपाइल होती थी.
Austria
Lombardy.
and Hungary.
I'm Lombardy.
Ma'am, Lombardy.
ऑस्ट्रिया एंड हंगरी मेन था इसमें. ठीक है, ठीक है. अब बताओ, और अब इन दोनों के अंडर कौन कौन से रीजन्स थे?
And Lombardy and Veneto.
Ma'am,
ठीक है?
Alpine region.
Alpine region, very good. What else?
Ma'am, Sudetenland.
ठीक है?
मैम बोहेमिया।
Bohemia,
Tyrol.
हाँ?
Ma'am, Tyrol.
Tyrol, Austria, Sudetenland, Bohemia, then Lombardy, Venetia, और क्या कौन सा था? और कौन सा?
मैम ऑस्ट्रिया।
ऑस्ट्रिया, ठीक है? सारे हमने बता दिए
मैम आई थिंक ऑल आर डन।
अब सारे के सारे हो गए, ठीक है? क्रोड्स से भी थे, जो भी आपकी जो लैंडेड एरिस्टोक्रेसी थी वो भी जो है आपकी हैब्सबर्ग एम्पायर की पार्ट थी, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम।
चलो नेक्स्ट। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 3 wars over 7 years with Austria, Denmark, Germany, France ended in
Prussian victory.
Prussian victory.
Prussian victory.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am. Prussian
So
victory.
these
Prussia
wars
won.
were basically for the
Unification of Germany.
for the unification of Germany. Very good. The allegory of the
मैम
German
व्हाट इज द आंसर?
beta Prussia. ठीक है? डन?
And we have to write Prussia.
यस मैम।
हाँ ऑफ कोर्स प्रूशिया जीता था ना बेटा?
So we can write Prussian victory, na?
हाँ प्रूशियन विक्ट्री, यस। ये डॉट्स कौन बना रहा है भाई? क्यों बना रहे हो डॉट्स? क्यों खराब कर रहे हो हमारी वर्कशीट को? हाँ कौन कर रहा है ये? चलिए बचपना नहीं जाएगा इन लोगों का।
Ma'am, may I tell the next one?
Nationalism, yes. Nationalism which emerged as a
Ma'am,
force in the late
16.
19 Yes
Ma'am,
man,
we have left one. Ma'am, the allegory of the German.
Ma'am,
ये yes
question
man
16.
बेटा एक मिनट होल्ड करो, एक मिनट जस्ट अ सेकंड। हाँ
Yes, it's not the real one.
जस्ट अ सेकंड बस। ये एक्चुअली यश था ही नहीं मीटिंग में, इट वाज समबडी एल्स हु वाज क्रिएटिंग न्यूसेंस। चलो एक मिनट। हाँ बेटा चलिए बताइए।
I'm 16. Ma'am.
Ma'am, may I?
कौन सा क्वेश्चन कर रहे थे?
Ma'am, question
I'm
Ma'am,
16.
16.
Ma'am, 16.
मैम 16।
ओके लेट अस हैव
Ma'am, may I tell the answer?
यस टेल बेटा।
Yeah.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, Germania.
मलय
Ma'am, Germania became the allegory of germination.
हमने पूछा द एलेगरी ऑफ जर्मन नेशन हु वेयर्स अ क्राउन ऑफ ओक लीव्स वाज अ डैश।
Heroism.
May I?
Yes.
Female figure.
may I?
यस बेटा पावनी बताओ।
Ma'am, that oak was a representation of heroism.
हाँ the crown of oak leaf was a symbol of heroism. ठीक है?
Heroism.
हाँ चलिए नेक्स्ट। Nationalism which emerged as a force in the 19th century means
Strong devotion for one's own country and its history and culture.
दोबारा बोलो बेटा।
Strong devotion for one's own country and its own history and culture.
Very good. Nationalism which emerged as a force in the 19th century means strong devotion
For its own history and culture.
for its own history and country.
Culture.
It is given here on the ठीक है, very
Option
good.
A.
हाँ
Ma'am, can you repeat the 16th one?
बेटा 16th का आंसर है was a symbol of heroism.
What was the answer for 17?
For the 17th, the correct answer is strong devotion for one's own country and its own history and culture. Option A.
Okay, ma'am.
Now coming to question number 18th. Who hosted the Treaty of Vienna? Yes,
Ma'am, Duke Metternich.
Ma'am, Duke Metternich.
it was Duke Metternich. Okay, very good.
Duke Metternich.
19th. Can we have Akansha telling this answer? Akansha, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए बताइए. What does a blindfolded woman carrying a pair of weighing scales symbolize? सृष्टि?
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ इसका आंसर बताओ 19th का.
Ma'am, it symbolizes that the law is equal for everyone and no one is greater than the law.
बस सिंपल सा इसका आंसर होगा इट सिंबलाइजेस जस्टिस. ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
इट सिंबलाइजेस जस्टिस, दैट्स इट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि मैच द फॉलोइंग टर्म्स विद द स्टेटमेंट्स गिवन बिलो. अ यूटोपियन सोसाइटी इज अ सोसाइटी अंडर द मोनार्की, society that is likely to ever exist, unlikely to ever exist, society under a control of a chosen few wise men, society under parliamentary democracy. तो इसमें से कौन सा ऑप्शन होगा?
Society that
Ma'am,
is
B.
unlikely to ever
Ma'am, that is
exist.
unlikely.
Society, ma'am, option B.
Society unlikely to ever
Ma'am,
exist.
2 and 3.
1, 2 and 3, 4 में जो दिया हुआ है उसमें से फर्स्ट होगा, सेकंड होगा, थर्ड होगा, फोर्थ होगा, कौन सा होगा?
Ma'am, 2. Second.
Second.
Ma'am, 2 and 3.
Ma'am,
second.
third.
Second option.
Ma'am, second only. Ma'am,
B.
second only.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
second.
second.
थर्ड होगा, थर्ड. इसका करेक्ट आंसर थर्ड होगा.
Yes, ma'am.
यूटोपियन
Yes,
सोसाइटी
ma'am. Yes.
Second
that is unlikely to ever exist. ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है ना, 1, 2, 3, 4 में से आपको बताना है. तो जो थर्ड वन है that is the correct answer, right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Second one should
Yes,
be the
beta.
answer.
Ma'am, second and third are both true.
नहीं बेटा, सेकंड
Ma'am, option third is correct.
ओनली, नहीं, ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. थर्ड वाला जो ऑप्शन है, थर्ड वाले उसका जो ऑप्शन है
ऑप्शन डी
दैट इज करेक्ट. हाँ ठीक है. एज पर बुक अगर आप देखो तो यूरोपियन सोसाइटी वो होती है जो कि इसमें लिखा हुआ है ना, विजन ऑफ सोसाइटी दैट इज सो आइडियल दैट इज अनलाइकली टू एक्चुअली एग्जिस्ट. ठीक है.
All of the worksheet.
हाँ, दिस वर्कशीट इज ओवर नाउ. ओके.
Ma'am, can you send the answers now?
हाँ, you
Can
can
you send this person on the group?
I am sending the PDF on the class group. Don't worry, I am sending it. कहाँ गया?
Ma'am, kindly send that worksheet also that we did last time, that extract based questions.
Extract based questions हमने करे थे क्लास में as worksheet. बताओ.
Yes, ma'am.
तो मुझे रिमाइंड कराओ किस डेट
Yes,
में
ma'am, in B section.
Ma'am, we only did 20 questions from that worksheet.
We did only
20 questions from that.
अच्छा, okay, I got it now. I'll send that. Wait, हमें B और C में भेजना है ना ये 10th C and where is 10th B? 10th B. I think I have. Did you get it on the class group, Mila?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, अब हम आपसे स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहे हैं. आप हमें बताना कि क्या यही वाला था वर्कशीट. कहाँ गया? उसमें कुछ 40 क्वेश्चंस थे ना, मुझे ऐसा ध्यान आ रहा है, हमने फिर उसको डिवाइड करा था। कहाँ गई वो worksheet? हाँ, now I got it. Got it.
Ma'am, I have sent the worksheets answer.
रुको एक मिनट बेटा, रुको। एक मिनट बस, तो आपको इसको क्लोज डाउन कर दें। I have shared it on the class group. Tell me if it is the same. बेटा देख के बताइए, क्या ये सेम ही है जो हमने उस दिन करवाई थी आपको बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am, it's the same.
It's the same, no?
Yes,
Ma'am, it is the one. It is the one.
Ma'am, it is
Yes, ma'am, it's the same.
But then हमारे पूरे नहीं हो पाए थे ना, ये आधे रह गए थे।
yes, ma'am. आधे रह गए।
Ma'am, we have completed all the 20.
All 20 we have completed. तो ठीक है, then it is fine. So yes, Malay wants to say something. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7 people have raised their hands. Do you want to say something, Mohit?
No, ma'am, it was for answering.
It was for answers. Okay. So we'll be doing the next part of this worksheet in one of the combined classes that we'll be having. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Right, class.
Okay,
Otherwise, these worksheets I have kept for revisions after the syllabus is over. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
हम तो फिर से करेंगे जब हम लोग complete
नहीं
Yes, ma'am.
जो हम लोग कर चुके हैं उनको हम दोबारा नहीं करेंगे बेटा, हम फिर न्यू वर्कशीट कर लेंगे, है ना। बहुत सारी वर्कशीट्स हैं, बहुत सारी हैं इसकी
Okay,
बना
ma'am.
लास्ट ईयर के हमने, तो हम जो है जितनी हो सकेगी हम उतनी करेंगे, ठीक है।
Okay.
हाँ जी बेटा। शौर्य बेटा, शौर्य
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा एक बात बताइए, ये समृद्धि क्लासेस क्यों नहीं कर रही है बच्चे? Is she fine?
मैम वो एक मोबाइल होता है मैम। Yes, ma'am. She.
अच्छा, एक मोबाइल की वजह से नहीं हो पाती है क्लासेस?
मैं शिफ्ट होती रहती हूँ, कभी मैं कर लेता हूँ।
ओके ओके, तो बड़ा गड़बड़ काम है। हाँ
Yes, ma'am.
चलो, बिकॉज जब से ऑनलाइन क्लासेस शुरू हुई हैं, इनिशियली तो शी वाज अटेंडिंग, बट अब तो बिल्कुल कोई भी क्लास शी इज नॉट अटेंडिंग। चलो कोई नहीं, देखते हैं क्या होता है, ठीक है। आई होप यू हैव स्टार्टेड सेंडिंग योर आंसर्स।
Ma'am, I have sent.
Yes, ma'am. I have sent.
Ma'am, I have sent.
See, you should send your answers in PDF so that I can save them. These images are very difficult to save and they take lot of storage. PDFs तो I can shift to my lappy, no? ठीक है बेटा, कोशिश करा करो PDF भेजा करो।
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, with your names. हाँ, वो मुझे ज्यादा इजी होता है स्टोर करना, स्टोर भी करना पड़ेगा ना इस बार आप लोगों का सारा वर्क जितना आप लोग कर रहे हो। That is why
Ma'am, where we have to send
on your
extract-based
class
questions.
on extract based questions in the class group only, in the class group only, in the form of PDF.
Ma'am, when we have to send our work?
Huh?
Ma'am, when we have to send our work?
Work I will tell you, but what I am telling you to send, those things you need to send that very day when I tell you to send it.
I have sent.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I think with B section we have one more class. ठीक है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am. Last class.
Ma'am, I had not written the